Hi friends, hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the recent update released by the Samsung for the Galaxy S10, that is September security patch with one UI update from 2.1 to 2.5. So let us go to settings and software update and click on download and install update. Yeah, it's checking for updates. Update is available. The size of the update is 963.49 MB, almost a 1 GB. So in this security patch and update, so they have improved the new features, that is Samsung DeX, wireless DeX connectivity support, wireless connection TV through Wi-Fi direct, quick panel DeX, usage of Samsung smart TVs, screen zoom and font size options are supported to allow customization in various displays, and the Wi-Fi also they have improved. So if quality information on nearby Wi-Fi routers can be measured, this information will appear as very fast, and so they have improved a lot more connectivity in the Wi-Fi also, Wi-Fi router, and they always on display. Bitmoji stickers are supported on this always on display. So this feature has also updated. So this then the Samsung keyboard, a new feature has been added to the Samsung keyboard, that is search feature that allows the user to search YouTube. Split keyboard is supported on landscape mode. So if you want to split the keyboard in the landscape mode, the function also available. So the search function, the camera, the pro video feature has been enhanced in the camera, and the message feature also they have improved a lot more, and feature has been added to that allows you the user. So SOS and software update can include but not limited to these ones. These are the updates they have rolled out to via this OTA. So let us download it. So we will see what are the new features available once device get updated. See, so its time left is 3 minutes 22 seconds. So now update is downloaded. Now update is downloaded. So let us install it. So I'm clicking on install now. So please wait, it is showing. So preparing for Android system update, processing the update package. So it will take some time to install the update. So 55%, 60, 71, 74, so 80%, 90%. So it is completed and restarted. So while update, it will restart automatically and it will show the process of update. See, Samsung Galaxy S10 secured by Knox. Yeah, see, installing system update 22%, 26%. It will take some time to install it. So until see 40% is completed. Now see 54% is completed. Now 63% is completed. 74% is completed. $92. C98 100% is completed and restarted. So during update it will restart multiple times, so don't panic, it is a normal restarts. So Samsung Galaxy S10 secured by Knox, powered by the Android. So now again restarting. Now they will optimize the apps available on your mobile. Let's see, yeah, optimizing apps. See how this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. So they have optimized differently. So 2% is completed. So it will go on. See 22, 23, 24, 25, 42, 43. So 45. So it will take some time. Don't be panic. So please be patient unless complete the optimizing apps and installing the update. So 51% is completed. See 66, 67% is 80% of the apps are optimizing. So 83%, 84, 85, see 95, 96, 97, 99, 98, 99, 99. So 100% is completed optimizing apps. So after optimizing 100%, see 100% is optimized. So now it will see the mobile is on. Yeah, see, swipe to unlock. So while updating it will be, mobile will be slow. Yeah, see, it is loading. Here it is showing finishing system update. So once, see, bar is showing that finishing update. Now the finishing system update will get, see, your phone has been updated. So click on OK. Now we will go to the settings and about the phone and go to software information. So here you will find it, Android security patch level September update, and here One UI 2.5. See, previously it is a 2.1, so now it is updated to One UI 2.5. So they have Samsung Galaxy S10 got the UI version 2.5 based on the Android version 10. So these are the build versions. So later I will show you what are the updates, what are the improvements on this security patch. So like this I will upload a lot more videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.